Wife, submit yourself to your husband, as it is fitting in the Lord. Husband, love your wives and do not be harsh with them.
Ntase uningi uyazi umuntu undlula ebuxexexeni kodwa uNkulunkulu ekhona ngaso sonke isikhathi uyazi ukuthi kumele uthandaze akukho okuningi ukuthi nje ngiyamthanda nabanye abangane eJoburg eMpumalanga bathe bayakuthanda awusisuke umngani wabo ufike la eVenda uyifunele abangani abasha thina umngani omusha sesimtholile uTK Nyabonga.
The word Father is made up of 5 letters. So I'm going to help you disintegrate that name, Father, into those 5 little letters. The first letter, which is F, on my side it stands for funny. So, Sam, you have to be somebody who is very funny in the house. The second letter, which is A, stands for availability. As a father, you must always be available to your wife and your kids whenever they need you. The third letter is the letter T. You got to be a teacher. The fourth letter is H, which I can say it represents honesty. You need to be honest to your wife. You need to be honest to your kids. The letter that follows there, it's E. You need to be an example. They must be able to copy from you. Your kids and your wife must be able to copy from you whatever.
Dispensa. Jagaria Samaya Mawa Buddha Dilo Jagaria Samaya